I'm on it. Thank you, Jack. She's like, messing with chat. And he said, oh, no, I texted her. He said, yeah, mine literally, I had to use his phone because when I went to go to work, it went straight. You know what it sounds like when you're
I'm going to defensive after this.
It did that.
Welcome to the Cheerwine Train Tunnel, where train travel has always been an important part of life in Rowan County. Whether going home for the holidays, delivering the daily mail, rebuilding the train at the Spencer Roundhouse, or stopped at a crossing returning home from a picnic, the train has always been a part of our daily lives.
We locked in the building. Yeah, we locked in the building. Well, it's not going to be in the room. It cannot be in my room.
Chelsea gonna be calling out loud stuff.
Those are weird.
Hold on, they're cute but weird. Chelsea comment, they're cute but weird. Ladybugs.
It's still 40 o'clock.
The other day, like, my mom was there at my mom's house with those old ass pictures that I fucking followed. Yeah, it's at Jerry's house. It's literally right beside my house.
Yes, it is.
And I said, yep, still take that picture. Yeah, I still follow me.
She kept it right in the right spot.
Chelsea comment, Ladybug.
Just because I told her I was going to get her them baby dolls for her baby.
No, she's not.
Yes, I am.
She gonna spoil that kid. I would let you.
Not the creepy ass baby dolls. Not the ones that look like they look at you and go through you.
Oh no, mother would spoil anyone she can get.
Right up and enjoy the greatest little train ride as we now go through the Central Carolina Bank Tunnel, where the old-time circus train is now unloading, and the Dingling Brothers Circus Troupe begins its daily practice. Remember to keep your hands inside the coach because the Hurley station is just around the bend. So listen for the conductor to signal when it's safe to unload. Then enjoy the rest of the day at the San Nicholas Park.
No train seats.